What's up, guys? It's Vince from Palm Beach Jeep Club and Grave Up Restoration, and once again, it's been a minute since I posted a video, but I am determined to keep going at this channel and start posting a lot more frequently. So, that being said, since it's been 7 months since I posted the last video, a lot of catching up to do. I wrecked this Jeep, actually. I ended up going right between two cars at a red light. So there's a little bit of damage to both sides. I did most of it already. I don't have, my insurance plan doesn't cover my own vehicle, so I had to do all the repairs myself. I bent the front axle, I bent the control arms. I did quite a bit of damage. But the subframe's okay, the apron's okay. So everything really is pretty much done. The only thing I still need to do is just this dent right here. Put a flare back on there. Other than that, I mean, not really much. I found a flare finally that matched the color. It's, you know, a bit faded, but it's better than nothing. But what I did, actually, I ordered a paintless dent removal kit that came today. So what I plan to do is make a bunch of more videos. And in that, we're gonna learn how to do paintless dent removal. We're gonna learn together, and yeah, I got some damage here from the accident. It's dented in and some scratches, but I think it'll buff right out. But I mean, other than that, you can't really tell. The front's okay. I literally went right between them by a hair. And here's one of the control arms that I crushed in the accident. I really only took the beating there. This is the axle I bent. I bent the perches on the axle. That's bent. That's nice and bent. So yeah, I had another two-wheel drive axle laying around that I most likely was never going to use, but I held on to for some reason, and I found the reason why I hang on to it. So that proved very useful, saved me a trip to the junkyard, and that is why I save every part. Other than that, I've kind of focused a little bit recently on one of my other projects. I bought a 67 Skylark. I never made a video about it. Four-door, clean original car, 89,000 miles, had a blown motor, so I put a new motor and transmission in it with the help of my buddy Brad. So right now it's got a 350 with a turbo 350 trans. The old 340 was blown. I have a set of Hooker long tubes that's going in it. I'm really just kind of trying to decide what path I want to go in as far as building the motor. I might pull it back out and reseal it, but I may as well just leave it in here for now and then add a cam. Once I get it running, I can kind of tell how it runs and drives, and then go from there. I'm not going to get too crazy with it. I just want something fun I could drive. And then recently, I ended up with a Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Yes, it is a VR4. It is the real deal. I do not plan on building that one. I just saved it from the junkyard. So that one is for sale. I will be selling it hopefully soon, so I can get it out of here and focus on the rest of the projects that I have. I did get one more Jeep, and I think we're really gonna like this one. It's gonna be a big project. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but it's definitely gonna be worth it when we're done. So here's a little sneak peek of it. I'm making a video today. By the time I edit it, I don't know how long it's gonna be after this video that it's gonna come out. Hopefully soon. This is going to be a full restoration, as far as I'm repairing everything this Jeep needs. And then I don't know whether I'm going to keep it and sell it, or there's been talks about another top secret plan with it. I can't reveal the plan just because there's a surprise involved, possibly, and I don't want to ruin the surprise. So that's all I could say about this Jeep. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching again. Be sure to stay tuned. I'm really trying to start posting a bunch more. I went and I bought a bunch of new camera equipment. I'm still on the GoPro, but I bought new chargers, some SD cards that'll make making videos a lot easier for me. I got a tripod now, so it's going to be a lot easier to hold the camera and show you guys, so I could do a lot more in-depth videos and show you guys pretty much what's going on here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one soon.